Hello my friends, do you like wisteria flowers? Every time when I visit Wisteria Flower Park, it is breathtaking moment. Thousand bunches of wisteria flowers that hang down from the shelf. They sway with the gentle breeze, then the peaceful fragrance floating in the air. The wisteria tree in my garden is too close to the pine trees, and the sunshine is blocked by the big and the tall pine trees.
待ちに待った富士の花、今年も咲かず。
I feel blue as I couldn't meet my purple wisteria. Let me make something. This is a sweet dough I made from dried beans. In the previous video named Wagashi Sweets Chrysanthemum, I introduced how to make it from scratch. In case you are interested, please check this video. For the filling parts, I used the same white bean dough this time. You could also use red bean paste. My beautiful wisteria flower is here now. Maybe this autumn or next early spring, I will move it to a sunny place. The countless flowers will make you feel surrounded by a purple waterfall. I just want to drink tea, paint, and listen to the music in this purple fantasy world. Oh, I know I am too extravagant for the flowers. If you also like wisteria flowers, please don't forget to visit Ashikaga Flower Park in Tochigi Prefecture. It's close to Tokyo. I'm sure you will like it.